Okay, so listen, I'm not gonna script this video. I'm just gonna get plain and simple into it. So I chose to keep the Pocket 5 and I'm going to unbox it and I'm gonna capture the first reactions basically. So just to give you a little bit of context, quick and simple, I bought the Anbernic RG557 and that was my very first gaming handheld that I bought. I ended up returning it because I just kind of wasn't passionate too much about it. I did like it a lot, but I ended up returning it. I did see the Pocket 5 again on Russ's gaming channel, Russ Retro Gaming Corp channel. And I did enjoy this. So, or enjoyed watching this or seeing this. I think this is in focus. Yeah, so anyway, I'm trying to get myself in focus instead of this. So I ended up buying this device. Coincidentally, Russ also released a video for the Odin 2 and the Odin Portal, which is roughly around the same price. And I was debating whether to return this to buy that, but I've decided not to. I'm going to actually keep the Pocket 5. I think it has great specs. It's not as big as, doesn't have a big screen. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into much of those details yet. I am literally just gonna unbox it. I decided to keep the Retroid Pocket 5. We're gonna unbox it. I cannot return this after I open this box. So I open this box and I own this device. I hope I like it. I set up the overhead camera, so we're gonna switch to that so you don't have to see my ugly potato head. So, okay, here we go. Now, I did open this a little bit here, but I didn't finish opening it because I obviously wanted to make a video. Now, all right. Now, I gotta preface this again because as soon as I open this box, I can no longer return. I 100% own this thing, so it's a little nerve-wracking, you know, when somebody says that to you. But made in China. All right, that's it. I own it. That's it. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. All right, so we got the case. I am getting Steam Deck vibes right away. Aha, well, let's move this over to this side so this way the other camera could see this. All right, we got a screwdriver with some screws. I'm not sure why that is. Some assembly required. Okay, we got the case for it. Let's see. All right, we could zoom in a little bit. This is all right. And we got anything in here? Got nothing here. All right, so we got a guitar wedge and some screws. I wonder what that is for. Interesting. All right, let's put that aside. All right, so nothing else in the box. All right, we got screen protector. I bought a screen protector because that's definitely needed. And all right, maybe this is the box that if I open, I'm screwed. Yeah, okay. This is the box. All right, so I hope I like this because if I'm not, I just bought myself a $300 paperweight. Now, let's see. All right. Quality assurance check. I'm sure it says the same thing in Chinese on the back. All right, I'm not gonna, let me just, there's a cable. All right. All right. Oof. All right. So it's, I mean, you could tell it's huge in my hands, or on my hands. Oh, there I am. You could tell that So I like. You can tell how big my hands are on this. This is a little concerning, right? All right, so first impressions, I like it. It's heavy, right? It's got, let me zoom out a little bit. It's heavy. It's got a nice feel to it. I am concerned on how big my hands are. I'm concerned about how these buttons are gonna play with my big hands. I don't know if I would be using the thumbsticks more because my hands are huge. That sounds pretty good. We got SD card slot here in the bottom. That doesn't have an SD card. USB-C. Does not have that new tech smell for whatever reason. I know that's a little funny, but typically it doesn't smell like anything. It has a hint of the new tech smell. So let's see if we turn it on. That's a pretty nice screen. It reminds me of the PSP. All right, well, this is the setup. So, I mean, I'm not gonna go through this just because, you know, I'm gonna make it my own. Obviously, I own it now. We're gonna put on this case. And try not to break it. Huh. Is this? Oh. Aha. So this is the clear case for this. That's why they sent screwdriver. Got it. Okay. So this is for me to replace the back of the case to get a smoky case, I guess. Is this see-through? It is a little bit see-through, but I think this one is too. That's weird. Okay, so this is not... okay, I got it. I'm an idiot. All right, so... okay, well, we're going to put on the screen protector as soon as possible, so this way we protect that screen. And we are going to make another video soon. We're going to go over exactly specs. This is just kind of my first reaction on it. I am... okay, I'm just kind of like, I hope I like it. You know, it's small, it's nice and portable. You know, like I'm trying to look at the good things about it, right? So it's small, it's hefty, it's supposed to be powerful. It's supposed to have a Snapdragon in it, which makes it compatible with a lot of the other retro emulators in there or the games in there. And that's kind of what I was looking for. I do like how small it is. But again, I won't really have a feeling on how well it does. You know, like I won't get a gaming feeling until I see the actual retro game on the screen. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video saying that I did decide to keep it. It is now officially mine, cannot return it. And give you another update, maybe a couple more videos on what I could do with this thing. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for all your input on whether I should have kept it or not. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.